Let me see you one time.
Right, let's join counter-terrorists. Sweet. Kill him? Yeah.
Oh, the lag then.
I know, man.
I'm now getting like 13 frames and I'm usually getting like 50. I'm getting like 20 to 19 to 13.
I know.
I usually get like 50.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, who hit me? It's from my house now.
Oh, you fucking arsehole. I knew he was there, like I saw him and I didn't do anything about it. What is wrong with me?
Oh my god. I'm getting so bad friends.
I know, man. Right. I see you up there, bitch. What are you doing? Yeah, you trying to sneak up on my fucking bitch. Yeah, sneak up on my fucking... I'm not gonna fucking do that, bitch. Really? Oh my god. Alright. I am definitely shit at this game. Alright? Don't judge me.
Oh, boy.
Alright, I'm spectating you now. I'll tell you where they are. I'll cheat. They... Right, there's only a bot. No, there's a bot and then someone on the roof. There's a bot, like, thinking he's good at the game.
Someone else. No.
And he's outside.
Controlled by someone else.
Oh, I don't know. And then the other guy can literally... Right, he's jumped off. He's coming round. He's about to walk in. I'm getting frame drops, but he's about to walk in. See him?
No.
He's coming in the other door. Yeah, got him. Got him. Right, next we've got a bot, and he's outside. Yes, good. Good.
He looks back to me, lamp.
Don't know what you're chatting, mate. Don't chat shit. Fuck you. Reload, man, reload. Wait, what's my reload button? There.
Oh!
I was about to say, what's my reload button? Because I definitely forgot it. Oh, come on. Alright, fair enough. He killed me again. I haven't played this game in ages, though. You've got to give it to me. Come on.
I've been playing now and then.
Yeah.
I've been mainly playing competitive.
I'm doing like free cam. I'm gonna try and find you if you're still alive. Right, there's a guy behind the truck.
Safe, and they're playing it with rough.
There's a guy behind the. Okay, they win.
They're rushing. They're rushing to spots.
Yeah, I know. Well, you know, that's how you play the game, innit? Alright.
Oh yeah, Dad, I'm rank 5 now.
You're rank 5.
Yeah.
I'm only 3. Why?
Become a new symbol.
You've basically got an O with 2 arrows, basically opposite sides connected to each other. Oh well. Alright, let's play like freshly now.
Because that's my next thing, you know. Oh, fuck yourself, mate.
Oh no, I'm dead. Ah, fuck you. Alright, again, I died.
Who did you die from, man?
Shonky, this guy, but the O's are 0 and capital N.
Who did you die?
I don't know, it just pisses me off. Get no editing done. I have to edit this video and then I need to do
flash.
Yep. No, I'm gonna go around. Is it the right thing to do? No, it ain't. Fuck that. Get down. Get the fuck down. That's not happening. No.
Okay, clear the roof. Roof is cleared.
Is it? Oh, you cleared the roof, you fucking asshole.
Got 2 kills, man.
I'd love to kill this guy, you know. Out of nowhere. I'd love to. Shoot the cunt.
Whoa!
Reload though.
Damn, son. Clear the roof, they're all on the floor, and like bang. Shot it, man.
Bitch.
Yeah.
Woo! Alright, I'm on a different gun, like, finally.
I'm on
P90, let's go. P90, let's go. What gun are you on, man?
My Desert Eagle.
Fuck you. You've been absolutely smashing people, and I've been doing shit.
Get trouble me.
Oh, I got
Dang.
a kill. Reload. Best thing to do.
One
Right, me.
thanks me.
Ooh, I saw you there. Don't
Okay.
try and
On the roof. They're on the roof, by the way. Okay.
I'm shitting it. Shitting a break. Fuck!
How?
Ha! Morning! Alright, go on in here. Nothing. Go up. There we go. Ooh, are you someone? Maybe. Fuck! Oh,
Yes.
fuck.
Yes, okay.
Oh, well. Well, I did something. Maybe an assist? Maybe? Did I? Yeah. I got 2 kills as well. Wait, did I? Got 2 kills? Since when?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Next
I
match.
mean-
Let's go. Next round.
I'm not even moving my
Alright, that fiery ginger beer has actually broke my throat right now. Alright, jump in here. I'm going to hide in here. And then I'm going to jump back out because I'm a retard. And then I'm going to go back outside. Then I'm going to go around a few times. Then I'm going to jump up. Oh, on there. Up. Oh, up. Right, fuck it. Go back round. Didn't work.
Dad, guess where I'm shooting from?
You shooting
In
me.
the toilet! In the phone!
Fuck!
It has a destination.
Alright, fuck it, man. I'm going to end the video here. See you later, man.